How's it going, YouTube? Back out with the Losi 8ight-E. I did put some street tires on it, some dirt track Banditos. I had to test it out right here and then probably run it in the grass as well, but it is on 4S. Just gonna had it ripped it. It's been a while since I had it out, so. It is on 4S with a stock. This is a stock motor. Only thing I did, it's a stock setup, but only thing I did was put it on a 6S. It comes 4S capable. And 4S is plenty for it now that I see. But I still be wanting that extra. I see that thing, get it up and go. But this buggy control, awesome, man. Awesome platform. Grass, rip it up, see how. Definitely don't got all the grip in the world. I think I did put it down to a 14 tooth pinion as well. Sorry about that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, 14 tooth pin. I think it comes stock with a 12, if I'm not mistaken. Definitely handle stable though, I tell y'all that. Then one of these to do some street racing. Look at that. Can literally go in the corner. She taking that. Thing perform, man. Always good running this car. Oh, there we go. Tried to do that before. Y'all know me, man. Let me get a test head in. Gotta get that test head in. Let's see what she do. Wasn't bad. How the car just moved. I don't even know if I adjusted it that high, but that thing's sitting high right now. They sitting high right now, huh? So that's the wind back like that? I don't know. It looked funny to me. It's running fine. It just looked funny to me. Right, nice. Gotta test this motor, see if it's hot. Got it geared down. Yeah, that thing it ain't hot, but it's like in the hundreds. It's in the hundreds. Try to get a good pass. Let me see if I go to the strip and get a good pull in. Just let it air out one time. Wide open. That's all. Oh. What broke? Broke? Man, that was... See, I started having too much fun, guys. I see what started to happen. I don't got no reverse right now for some reason. Might have to recalibrate because I ain't pulling reverse since I came out here. Everything seemed to be good. As you want to see right now when I pull this trigger again. Alright, so she's still good from the looks of it. I had the brakes turned on. If I had them a little bit higher, I would have been able to stop. See that? Alright guys, we're gonna call it a day. Look how that thing just absorbed it. Alright y'all, thanks for tuning in. It was a fun bash with the Losi 8ight-E. I like the way it's set up, man. Cool little rig. Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. More to come. Y'all, this is gonna be a quick rip on 6S. I had brought in a 6S pack, but wasn't too sure if I was gonna drive it on 6S. Thing is an animal, yo. Ooh, that one really got sticky. I'm gonna get one run in the grass and I'm gonna call it a day. Alright guys, that's it.